So you're stuck at home and you're thinking, is it a good time to start a side hustle? The whole world is upside down and lots of businesses are closed. What in the world could I do to make money? So the answer is yes, you can start a side hustle and make money in this economy. You just have to offer a service that people actually need. Make sure to stay till the end of the video. We have some awesome resources to tell you about. If you're a virtual assistant, social media manager, freelancer, or perhaps you just want to start a side hustle, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified each week when we post new videos. Hi, I'm Kirsten Graham with Six Figure Business Coaching. Along with my business partner, Jeannie Wilson, we help women start and build successful businesses. We feel like there's always opportunity for the people who want to seek it out and do the work. In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 industries that are booming right now, and you can decide if you can take advantage of one of them. The first industry I want to talk about is for writers. If you enjoy writing, there is a high demand right now for content writers, whether that's blog posts or articles, writing sales copy for landing pages, or just editing what other people have written. So if you have that skill, it is very much in need because so many business owners have decided to double down on their marketing while things are slow. The other reason is people have realized the importance of being online. So more and more business owners had a wake-up call to the fact that they needed to have a better presence with their online marketing. One of our clients really likes to write in the fitness and health industry. So how did she get clients? First of all, she made 3 lists. The first list was people who blogged that she really liked and respected. The second list were people on YouTube that she really liked and respected. And the third list were publications and all the editors who are involved with those publications. What she did next was send out an email saying, hey, I'm a writer and I know a lot about the health and fitness space. I would love to write a free blog post or article for you to give you an opportunity to see my work and to prove myself. Now, I know a lot of people will say never, ever work for free. However, if you don't have a portfolio and you don't have reviews and testimonials, it's often hard to get jobs. This is a great way for you to get experience, build your portfolio, and if they like your writing, there's a very strong chance that they will hire you. So that may be something that you'd want to consider. If you're interested in writing or doing social media management as a side hustle, hit us up below and let us know what industry you think you'd like to work in. The second industry that's really hot right now is social media management and marketing. Obviously, I just stated that business owners are realizing the value and the importance of getting their businesses online and driving traffic to their websites. So if you enjoy social media and you understand the concepts behind social media marketing, this could be a great thing for you to do. There's several ways that you can go about getting business for social media marketing. First of all, do a little research in your area to find out what businesses are busy. A great example is the dumpster business. I know that sounds kind of crazy, but we have a client who owns dumpsters. And because people are at home, they're busy cleaning out their garages and their attics, they're gutting their kitchens and their bathrooms. So his business is booming. If you were to reach out to someone like him whose business is booming and say, hey, I could help you with all of your social media marketing. I'm sure you're busy right now, but I'd love to help you stay busy in the future. Now, there's several things that you could do. You could say, let me reach out to your happy clients and get them to write Google reviews for you. So often business owners want reviews, but they don't get them. They don't have time. They don't want to chase the customer. So you can say, I have a process. We send an email asking them to write the review. I will also follow up with a phone call asking them if they were happy with the service and asking them to write a review for you. So this is a great way to build your online presence and get a lot of reviews. So that is something you can offer above and beyond just posting on their social media for them. The third thing is editing. This could be podcast editing or video editing. More and more people are jumping on YouTube and creating their own podcast. This is a huge opportunity if you have editing skills. Now, how do you go about getting clients? First of all, you can jump in some Facebook groups and find out if people are asking for help with editing. They often will. So find some entrepreneurial Facebook groups and get in there and you can search video editing to see who is looking for help. The second thing you can do are look for channels that are just starting to blow up. They're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Reach out to that person and say, hey, I love your videos. Do you edit them yourself or are you looking to hire someone to help you with that? And just like writing blog posts, you can offer to edit a video for free. I would say in the past 60 days, we've had two people who have emailed us blindly and said, hey, I see that you're doing a great job on YouTube. I'm a video editor and I would like to edit a video for free so you could see what I can do for you. As I said before, we already have a video editor and we're quite happy with his work. But again, two people reached out to me blindly. Now, if we were still doing our own video editing, I can tell you right now, we would have said yes to both of them. We would have given both of them an opportunity to edit a video for us to see what their work was like. Again, you've got to put yourself out there. And if you do not have a portfolio, you do not have reviews, you do not have testimonials, sometimes you have to offer to work for free to get going. So I've just listed 3 industries that are doing really well where there's great opportunity. But I want to talk about some other things that are happening right now. One of our clients had just started her business. In fact, she's in the process of creating her brand identity and getting her online presence up and running. She decided to drive for Uber Eats because the cash flow is great. Right now, people are tipping really well. She said everyone's been nice and the company's paying great. So you don't necessarily have to offer your services in order to do a side hustle. Uber may be hiring, Uber Eats could be hiring. Look around, there's always opportunity for the person who's willing to dig in and find it. A side hustle could be absolutely perfect for you right now, but you won't know if you don't try. If you decided to start a side hustle, it wouldn't be a bad idea to create a brand for yourself. Again, the more professional you look, the more likely people are to want to use your services. In the description below, there is a link to the brand building toolkit. This will help you create a logo and a powerful brand for your business. We also have a link below to a list of free resources that can really help you grow your business. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to get notified each week when we post new videos. And until I see you again, dream big.